Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today I had planned to show you another recipe, another gift recipe like we've been doing all month long, all kinds of simple, easy, quick gifts that you can make from your kitchen. I planned to do another one of those today, but yesterday I saw a recipe, and I can't believe I haven't seen this before, but I saw a recipe for a Christmas tree made out of croissants with some spinach dip, and it is so cute, it is so festive, and I thought, I haven't seen this, so maybe a lot of other people haven't seen it. I gotta show you guys how to do it. I just think it is so, so cute. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun, I'm Cheri. I love those same things. Hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So this is really, you really could, there's my timer, oven's ready. There is only like 4 ingredients I'm gonna use, but you could make it even simpler and do it with just 2 if you wanted. Basically, you could just use some store-bought spinach dip is what I have, and some croissant rolls. So you could also make your own spinach dip, which I would love to do, but you know, Christmas is only a couple days away, so ain't nobody got time for that. So I bought it from the store, and I think they use the spinach dip because the spinach has a little bit of green in there, so it makes it really festive. And you'll see what I mean, because we're going to twist and cut these a little bit so you can see the dip that's in there. But I thought it would also be really pretty if we added some roasted red peppers. And if you missed that video, because I showed you how to make your own, I will post it right here. I think it's on this side. And I'll also post it in the description below and at the end of the video. So roasted red peppers, garlic salt, your dip, a little bit of butter, and 1 can of croissant rolls. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to roll this out just into a rectangle. So I just want to press the seams together. I always try to do this really, really well, because for some reason, it doesn't matter how hard I try to get these seams together. It seems as soon as I start to make whatever I'm making, they come back apart. All right, I think that looks good, but I'm going to go ahead and use my roller and kind of roll it out. I want to make sure it is a nice, even rectangle, because we need to cut some triangles out of this. And yes, I know that I can buy this in a sheet now, but I have to buy the Pillsbury brand at Walmart. And in comparison to the Aldi ones like this, they're like, I think 3 times as much. So, you know, I'm pinching my pennies. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, I think that might be as good as I'm going to get it. So it looks really easy, but I'm sure y'all have seen me try to execute things unsuccessfully. All right, so now it says that we want to cut some big triangles out of this. So we want to do, actually we're going to cut 1 big triangle, and that will leave us with 2 smaller triangles. So from the middle at the top all the way to each bottom corner. And then these 2 long pieces on the sides. Let's see. Actually, let's take out the one in the middle. I think might be easiest. Or maybe not. Let's take the one on the side, because that's a bigger piece to pull up, so it might not be as easy. Okay. So I've got another piece of parchment. I'm just laying my triangles on over to the side. Let's get our other one. Put him over here. Should we press our seams back together? Okay, so this is the start of our Christmas tree. Seems like it really needs to be wider. See if I can roll it out a little bit at the top. But that's how it showed they cut it all the way to a small point like that. Anyhow, so I've got my spinach dip here. So this is a spinach Parmesan. Again, I think you could probably use just about any spinach you like. Not spinach, any dip you like. But I just think the green and the red's going to be really pretty. So I'm going to put in a little bit of roasted red peppers. And we're going to give this a good stir. And I doubt all of this is going to fit on there, but we're going to go ahead and start to spread some right down the center. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space along the edge here, just so when we start to cut and twist, hopefully it doesn't come out everywhere and make a big mess. I hope. A little bit more. And okay, so now I'm going to set that aside, and then I'm going to take these other 2 and we're going to push them together to make another big triangle. I don't think I'm doing the best job at this. I'm going to fold this over a little bit. There we go. I think. It's not really looking like a triangle, is it? Okay, I think that might be as good as it gets. So now what I'm going to do is take this one and we're going to lay it on top of the other one. Very carefully. Oh, goodness. Okay, not too bad. So I'm just going to try to move this over a little bit. There we go. Very gently. Yeah, I don't know if it said to press the seams together or not. I don't remember. It's okay. I think it'll be okay. Uh-oh. Got it coming apart right there. So now we just want to cut little 1-inch strips, leaving a space in the middle that's uncut. And then we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And I can tell you already, if I was to do this again, I would do this with 2 cans of croissant rolls. I think it would just be so much easier. It could be a little bit bigger then, and I think it would be easier to make these twists that we're getting ready to do. So now, very gently, we're just going to take one of these and we are going to twist it just like that. So see how you see the filling in there? Seems like we did another recipe recently where I kind of twisted the croissant rolls. I don't know. Or twisted something where you could see the inside. So very gently. Make sure your cuts are really clean too, I guess, because I'm having a little bit of an issue with that. Okay. But see how you can see the green and the red? It's so pretty. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And again, I want to make sure those cuts are clean because otherwise it's going to just pull on the dough and it won't be as pretty. This one's trying to get away from me. I don't know if I'm being very gentle with this. Well, that one didn't want to twist. See, I think the dough is too small up here. I'm just going to twist it a little bit. We'll see what happens. All right, well, how did I do? What do you guys think? Did I do a very good job? I don't know. Well, I guess we'll tell whenever, we'll be able to tell whenever it comes out of the oven. So I have just a little bit of butter that I already melted down, just a couple of tablespoons in the microwave. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt to that. And then I've got my little basting brush here. I'm going to kind of swirl it around. And we're just going to go right over the top. I think I'm supposed to do this at this step. I don't know. Maybe it was after it comes out of the oven. We'll just do it lightly, and then if we have to do it again, we will. Oh no, it's coming apart right here. Oh no. Well, I can't push it back together now. Let's put it in the oven and hope for the best of luck. Okay, so the oven's 375 degrees. I think it said roughly like 15 to 17 minutes. I might start checking it around 10 just to be on the safe side. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, I ended up getting a phone call in between the time I put this in the oven and between now. So it's cooled off quite a bit. I'm guessing it still tastes delicious, so I went ahead and photographed it. But I just think it's so adorable. I think if you make this for Christmas, you're going to get a lot of oohs and ahs. I think it's just really, really cute. And again, I think I would have used two to make it easy. But I do think it's just cute. So this one already broke off when I was photographing, so we'll try this one. Heck yeah, it's good. It's really good. I mean, it's 2 layers of croissants with dip in the middle. Of course it's going to be good. But I'm thinking, or I was thinking while it was in the oven, I probably should have thought about this for a couple of days because I may have thought of this sooner, but I was thinking that this would be really cute to make. And you could do this the night before. So like the night before Christmas, you can make this, prep it, and then all you have to do is bake it the next day. But make one for breakfast. And you could do like cream cheese in the middle and maybe some cinnamon sugar on the outside. Wouldn't that be good? Yeah, I think it's really, really cute. Well, it's missing a couple pieces now, but it's still cute, right? And you could serve some of the little dip off to the side in a little jar. So you guys have to let me know, have you seen this before? And if you like it, what you think about it. And I thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys again tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be doing a gift recipe again. Bye.